To enter maintenance mode, press and hold down the home button for around 5 seconds. In the display of the printer, 4 fields will appear. Press the last field. This display will appear. If necessary, press the arrows. Press in this order asterisk 2, 8, 6, 4. The machine is now in maintenance mode. Now you can select the function you need. You will find the list in the description of the video. For example, to reset the counter of the fuser unit, type 88. Reset fuser unit, press set, press set. The fuser counter is reset. To exit maintenance mode, press stop, then 99. The machine will restart. Check the counter of the fusers. All settings, machine info, parts life, 100%. Another example, to change the language, press 52. The machine will restart. Select the language, Italian for example. OK. Sì, yes, yeah, da, it depends. Accepted. The machine restarts. The language is now Italian.